is truly precious to you?
My family,
friends, relationships.
Being happy at work.
My dog, but most of all my health.
Is taking care of people, the planet, nature.
There is nothing more precious than prosperity, because when you prosper, everything that you get around improves and gets better.
Precious is a word that can mean so many different things to so many different people. For some, it's their relationships, their family, friends, and the precious memories they've made. To others, it can mean knowledge and wisdom, the precious things they've learned throughout their lives. And for many, it's life itself, the world, the environment, and the time spent on this planet. At Diversey, our purpose is to take care of what's precious. But what does precious mean to us?
For us, precious isn't just one thing, it means many things.
It's the quality of service our customers provide, the safety of their people they serve, their commitment to protecting our planet, and the trust they place in us to deliver on our promises.
To the business, precious, I would say, are the customers. We like to look after the customers, and by looking after the customers, it keeps us all happy. And the way we help them is by being there for them.
we help them achieve their objectives, and we help them take care of what's precious to them.
I've been here 31 years. I think it's the quality of people, it's diverse people. They've all got different ideas, all bring good ideas to the table, and you need to be happy and satisfied in what you're doing.
I love the flexibility, the people, the relationship between the employees. That's for me the most precious at this company.
So we go beyond clean and take care of what's precious, so that our customers in this generation and generations to come can continue to take care of what's precious to them.
In today's world, however, taking care of precious isn't an easy task. From pollution to climate change, deforestation to waste disposal. The list of challenges facing our planet has grown substantially over the years.
For our customers, sustainability continues to be a priority, yet they still have bottom lines to protect, stakeholders to impress, and their own customers to serve. We are determined to provide our customers with the tools they need to care for their assets, environments, and people.
Yet still help to drive towards sustainability targets to save our planet from the harmful effects of excessive energy and water usage.
And as resources become increasingly scarce, we must learn to do more with less. But that doesn't mean we need to compromise.
100 years of innovation has put us in a position where we can offer sustainable cleaning solutions without sacrificing quality.
Our products have been made to protect the planet, while still protecting our customers' businesses.
Whether it's a chef, teacher or doctor, or a cleaner,
At Diversey, we understand how important hygiene infection prevention are to them, to the long-term prosperity of their business and to the health of those they serve.
And if it's precious to them,
It's definitely precious to us, and what's precious must be protected.
Because at Diversey,
Clean is just not enough.
Diversey, taking care of what's precious.